and viewers choose who participates in. Fight on one. James.
The aspirants will salute you. Look at the manifesto of the aspirants. I bet then the electoral committee members will now sit with them and look at the code they completed. And interact with them on the code they completed in the form. So we have two segments. The first segment will be here, then the general public can go, and the rest of all who are the electoral committee members will now sit back with them and go discuss of the forms they have returned. Actually, I can hear the model. I can now the electoral committee general and the follow Patricio or Chicha, Madishi. I question when I young, who have been in the electoral committee, have present here this event, who has to be packaged here. Makana, I am a Pana, a platform. No possibility to that, no possibility to cause. And that's because here I had a when I have and the electoral committee will present this event to go to the meeting and to try to work plan. So because I'm assuming no. Now, what I also said, I don't know whether you feel more comfortable sitting there going to ask the question. So, because I provide a chest for you to hear, it's aspirants. So, don't mind if you can come up.
Oza.
I can go to Matagua. They will be one form. You enjoy it. What the kids is a book. Also, it's to get Gerard. I have order in the order. I remember the form. When you give Babu, Doctor, I go Captain, all we go. When you give Babu, also to engineer, who put so much education. When you can know is a licensed man of God.
You are walking out.
Say,
go outside. Go outside.
also, Chief Sir Andrew Room, which is she will also tomorrow Senate. So, we have only one form. Ebe Ogene. So, let's go there. Like I said, only this zebra form also there are reject. No one over here. I'm not here present, but I'm sponsoring this Zoom to talk to you. So, what are the number one in the list? So, who will now? Please, again, I got to have questions. The questions I got to have, I ask for here, and I believe not as satisfying. The other question you have there to ask. I ask for the questions I got to have. I told you, I ask a question. How about there? In an agent. Upon the time, I did. You can allow questions from the audience. But upon the time, I did wrong. I got up country electoral committee member said the questions. I got the questions. How about there? I am Toronto. Like I said, and the electoral committee now got the questions. And you need to say, I want to have a question how here and there it might be around. So I think I have to call electoral committee members to have to questions. Then time is here, we can entertain questions for the audience. Thank you very much. Okay.
Everybody, yeah. I think when you were too much. I can move on now. The leadership of the community. I'm not going to you personally. Or comments. Hearing you, I will hand to the platform. Everything that I want. Here, I put a platform. Now that's time people listen. Now today, the screen. I'm all going to plan the screen exercise. Is that not having doors? No, that public. Whichever one knows inside is okay. According to your instructions now, you should guideline behind the today. Then I call line and manifesto the user before maybe the screening. I'm of the opinion that you should come second. Screening first and then manifesto afterwards. Whichever day or time you fix it is okay. My reason is this, my reason for now you hear book lose. Our one and then in the platform has to qualify. Now she have to present to our manifesto. Yeah. Because I don't think we should set the cart before the horse. Our one not they assumed, or maybe you have done the process, the exercise of screening them, and as you have found out, has found out that how do you need to qualify, then we can sit down and listen to whatever they are going to present to us as their manifesto. Manifesto, or whatever, normal person screening exercise. You don't manifesto only present to I rest my
I have to put in a comment to the comment. I present the Makana screening the electoral committee members and the aspirants. We look into their forms and take a decision. Our decision will be made public on Monday 8th. So, being qualified will now be published according to the Constitution. Being qualified will now be published, but we will give everybody opportunity to speak to us. Then, like I said, we have spoken the questions according to the candidate. Now, by Monday, when you look at the list of successful aspirants, then we will know. So like I said, let us not go into asking too many questions. Let us start the process or the event that is material today. Wait. I get no time for you to ask questions. I'm not asking questions. I want to keep something that please allow me to talk. What I want to say is allow me to say something. Allow me to say something. And
Chairman of the committee, sir, I want to say something.
I think we maybe
the councillor.
Can I just say something?
We recognize the fact that you are representing us outside Ebe. We recognize the fact that you are representing Ebe and the local government. You understand? But we'll give you opportunity to talk. When the time comes. Not now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
the PG. Let me get your face well.
Also, Chief Gerard, the candidate number one, to talk to us. Also, Chief Gerard,
Okay. I'm not getting this going. Hold on. Set it.
Heard it.
Just did this for
Were you okay? Were you okay?
No, don't worry.
Hello.
I got it.
Then I speak up. Nobody in
Also, there are Uday, Bihe, Ainaga, Apalituka, Kita.
Use this one. Use this.
Because I thought you come around with it. Introduce yourself to the audience. Bye.
My first program for unity of India, I think we found out that if India are really united, that we will achieve our loss. So once I come in as the Indian, the first thing is the united India is even the families, families that have problems. We have to find a way to help and to go on to their life. And for us to be anything to be achieved and very, very easy for us to get. So that is the main thing. So after that, I will try to look for a means of securing our people. I would like a situation whereby we are secure. During my last visit to Ebe last year, I met with Ebe Igweship, the former PSS boss. And the topic I for security there, we really spent time discussing on how to secure them. We talked at length. I noted a lot of things, and he himself noted a lot of things. Points over there, and points where we work together on how to provide security, maximum security level. And then here I gave you inside us. Before we start inviting our ambassadors. And in connection with government, we get gadgets, apparatus. I need some buses, that are Serena buses, communication gadgets, intercommunication gadgets, like walkie-talkie. We need some compassion and whatever it takes for us to secure everything. We discussed all of this. We become a GSS. Abia State. I would like to go into youth empowerment. Youth empowerment, youth and women empowerment. We need to train our kids, train our boys and girls on how to make use of, on how to perfectly make use of internet. How will they know all these things if we don't assemble them and provide some laptops or even desktop and teach them on how to browse, how to do internet and find a way that better life in their better. Approach me on how to help get some or get to back to people. Now give them some advices because they don't have all this gadget, because they don't know how to browse it, they don't have to use the search engine to learn happiness. It takes means of getting what they want.
So I would like to empower our kids. In so they can we walk the wall and we getting out of Nigeria, get jobs, reasonable jobs out of Nigeria, and no it's for the people. So I would like to use some of the halls already in it. Hills Hall and some village halls. To use it to assemble all the mice, it can be village by village, or we have a common center like Hills Hall, where we can assemble them with very few computers each time, and then start teaching them on how to search for all these things. And before you know it, there will be Canada or US or Europe or whatever, according to what is happening at that time. So another one would be in the part of our women. Some time ago, when we had the government, I think some state governments, Anambra State or federal government, and I bought Ojolo. Ojolo would have a Mumai, in your hand, one or the other. Kaha, we load, and we or family or one trip, don't do something. That is. Another one, when we get one guy, better life for rural women. That is the program to create your own wine. And we teach you when they want something, then we don't know. And a common loan or individual loan to help them establish something. So I hope we create something like that.
On a through Zoom.
Women will have something.
Through Zoom. So we are now closer to the speaker, so that we'll be hearing what he's saying.
People that mother wherever they are, if you need to go house by house, flying to Europe, flying to Canada, flying, I'm already in the US. Asia, everywhere. I have the potential, I have the certificate to go everywhere and ask for money for my people. I have the passport to go to anywhere to ask for money for my people. And I bet you ask more, our women will benefit from all those things. We have a medical center. Our medical center, which the only thing I use now as soon as my work is to make sure I press the government to upgrade it. When it is upgraded, the possibility of government to be sending medical personnel to be there permanently will be there, just like every other hospital in Enugu State. So by so doing, our women will not be going outside again for child delivery. They will not be going outside for simple emergency situations, because we have the medical personnel in our area to take care of those women.
Thank you very much.
So I will work on trying to help the government to see that this our health center is upgraded.
Thank you. Thank you.
So that we start having the benefits from the government through there.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
If you check our educational system in
Because I need 10 minutes to talk and 7 minutes has gone. We just have 3 minutes to round up, because we still have some.
Sorry.
We have 3 minutes to round up, and I have some other questions we will ask you. So round this thing in 3 minutes, please.
Okay, I'm talking about education now. If you check our secondary school, primary school, secondary school, you find out that we don't have any equipment, we don't even have students, because our kids they're outside when they're out due to lack of all those teachers and equipment. I hope to liaise with the government and those both internally and externally to get us some more teachers and apparatus, teaching aids that will attract our people to be having our kids in those schools instead of running outside. We really need to do more on this current situation. Then, though there are some villages have taken over 1 million, but we still need to centrally do something to make sure that almost all the compounds, families, they won't take money as I went to. The same thing with electricity. We are trying our best in electricity. Villages are also trying. Centrally, we are trying. But as soon as I come in, I will try to make sure we improve on it so that not because of little problems or access.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you indeed. Yes, we have heard you. Number one is this. At a time like this, there needs a capable hand.
Remove mic. Remove mic. You give him them.
Number one question actually to go. No getting the war. If they need a capable hand to take up the reins of leadership, what would you say is the qualities you have that makes you most qualified to be the Ebe of heaven? The qualities you have that makes you the most qualified to be the Ebe of heaven. Thank you.
Creative. Creative.
Here in diaspora and in the I always look for peace. As a I always look for dialogue. I always use dialogue in getting to what is required. And there's no doubt if I talk to you, whoever the person is, one-on-one or as a group, there's no doubt that we go through. So I'm very dynamic. I can reach any person, wherever the person is, to get what I want. I'm good in listening to people for advices. Feel free to go forward.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Now, the second question. The second question is this. Every society has those who are consistent in contributing to its development. What would you say you have contributed in the development of Ebe? Thank you.
Okay, this is a good question.
Yes.
I have contributed to the development of Ebe in the sense that here from the diaspora in the United States, commonly we donate money with which we use to help Ebe, maintenance of Ebe roads, the construction and the reconstruction of secondary school in Ebe. My money is there, reasonably. The boreholes in Ebe far, and use and levies with which to develop Ebe. Now, individually, on individual ground, since I went to the United States, I have been helping poor, the people that have nothing, I mean, by supplying them with hearing aids. These hearing aids cost a lot. You can go to the market in Nigeria and even in US here and find out how much they sell it. People who don't hear, I supply them with hearing aids, village by village. You can ask. What do you call it? Reading glasses. Old women, old men find it difficult to see very well. Every year I come home with reading glasses and distribute to them those people that actually need it, not the people that want it. I don't give it to them, go and keep it in the house, but you have to use it to better your life.
Thank you.
I was still in my campaign jingles about the medications. I saves life. Life is number one. If you are not alive, you cannot do anything. I give medications, call them, give them medications, assort them. That will take care of minor problems, not the serious ones. But I can say you have to get to your doctor immediately. But as soon as possible, I take care of it perfectly. And I will continue doing that.
Thank you very much. Thank you. The next question. Thank you so much. Also, we have heard you. I want to ask you two questions at a stretch. So that I really want to know why you I'm showing you two questions. One, are you listening? Can you hear me? Okay. Yeah. In order to showcase Ebe to the world, what natural resources do you think Ebe has that will launch it to the world? That is one. The second question, what is your opinion about the raging issues of autonomous communities in Ebe? Thank you. You can take the two questions at a time.
Question I understand. The first question that crack. The first question that crack.
Let me ask you. Let me repeat the question. The first question.
If we really empower them, and then the government and the world can set in. As basically it is for now. If we get some international communities, international people to come into Ebe and search, they will still discover some other things. The forestry is there too. To talk about the forest is part of what God gave us. And if we can expand our connections, which I hope to do, we find out how the world will help us to excel in those things.
Then the second question. No. He has not answered the second question.
Then the second question was on what? On autonomous community.
Autonomous community.
For myself, I support the autonomous community issue. Why? Each community 1,000 naira from the government, and we just have one Ebe. They will give us 1,000 naira. Because I'm going to so 2,000 naira. And this 2,000 naira we can match it, and people which will get us something far better than 1,000 naira. For us to get our share, because we get our
This is the PG and the sect.
for us to get our share.
Ebe Representative Assembly. Thank you for coming.
It will help us a lot in building a lot of things. Everything I get with a double share. To better our lives, to better our people, our women and our men and our children. If not, we'll be lagging behind.
Thank you. Thank you. Please hold on for the next question.
Yes, Council Gerald. The next question goes thus.
What role have you played in the last 3 years towards the development of your village? Next one. What programs do you have for development of the youth, women and children in every community? And how do you intend to achieve them? I hope you have got the questions.
Let me start from the, I think I have to say, let's start from the second one.
Okay.
That one is what I already talked about. Empowering our children, empowering our youth through IT. Empowering our youth through IT. And creating a quick loan whereby they can get loans in order to establish something. They can establish an email and TKC there. They apply, I know where they like. So empowering them, this IT issue is a serious one. That is, I want to focus on this IT because it will get them places. It is the way to help them reasonably. It is better to teach someone how to catch fish instead of giving the person fish. So empowering them with IT, knowing how to do all this computer stuff, it will get them places with time.
Then the first question.
Then coming to my village.
Yes.
My village in particular.
Yes.
The borehole, we have a borehole, water borehole, which immensely, my money is there. That's the development. With the team that is working at the management of area right now, they are doing wonderful. So you can, even if you bring any money, any amount of money, without people on deck, hands on deck to take care of that money, the money will be a waste. So we are talking about building this hall. If you get to have people now, you see a modern. My money is there. It's not me. I didn't do it myself, personally. Okay. I did not do it personally. Okay. It's through contributions. So whatever we are doing in Aduku, we are doing as a community. So I'm going to photo, make sure have some extra to send. I send, with which all those projects are taken care of.
It's all right. Hold on for the next question. Thank you. Thank you.
Other General, I because my own question is this. What plans do you have to reclaim Agwebe if by chance you become the next Igbo? Okay. I said, what plans do you have to reclaim Agwebe if by chance you become the next Igbo?
Reclaiming Agwebe goes with a lot of things. We have to use intelligence. We have to use plans. We have to connect with people that matter, both inside and outside. Even at the Egere themselves. We have to make connections, which are the same. We have to look for seasoned attorneys from Ebe and from outside Ebe.
Okay.
The issue of Agwebe has to be taken care of cautiously, very, very cautiously. I don't want any more bloodshed. I will summon elders who will talk. I don't know a way forward. I speak by telling I will start out peace inside Ebe. We cannot get anywhere. I will liaise with Ebe, Mogon and Mother, Hamlets. We stay together and discuss, and first of all, achieve peace within Ebe. That was why I started my manifesto with peace, 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 and love. So when we are together, we will get there without any problem and without bloodshed.
Okay, thank you.
But if we are divided in the families, in the hamlets, village by village problems,
thank you. Thank you, thank you.
All of us will come together and we'll fight it.
The next question, please. The next question. What cultural festival will you promote in order to foster unity, peace, security, and progress in Ebe? Wait. Do you hear me? I said, what cultural festival will you promote in order to foster unity, peace, security, and progress in Ebe?
Okay, now I understand. We have some of them. This Igodo festival. Since we modernized it and Christianized it somehow, you find out that now they may attract some outsiders from everywhere. Some years back, when Sullivan was the governor, he gave us some millions of naira in support of what we are doing in Igodo. Igodo has to stand. It has to stand and bring here the community finally now draw good. Nime Igodo. The person or those people should represent it. We present it and discuss why. The whole town will come together and discuss it. And we won't pay anything now, do any of them. We are moving forward, we are not going backward. Certainly, in every aspect of whatever culture, I can wish something I cannot do. I open there and in order to accommodate our men, our women, our children, and outsiders too. And when they accommodate outsiders and every person, you find out that that peace and understanding, getting together, we start trickling in gradually. And then when something is happening in our community, the government will help us with our security. Rather than knowing anything at all, the government will surely, when we talk to them, they listen.
Okay. Also, Gerard, I have this question. What is that thing that you love or cherish most about our community, Ebe? Did you catch me?
Yes, I got you. When I was in Nigeria, at Enugu, I lived at Enugu. Some of our neighbors used to tell us that Nandebe, as a neighbor. Why? Because on Friday, Ebe Ojebe Ogene village, they were from Friday, Saturday, Sunday. In the morning of Monday, Oshiworo emails, Jeworo, Obasukoro, and Anatazara appear. Okay. Why do we go home like that? Because of love. Achuma to Ebe. Achum they've been in anyway, but although too much in Ebe. So one thing I love in Ebe, and that is why I come home every year. Talking in a neighbor. And I'm an uncle, and I'm an uncle. And my neighbor can now. And that's why the law when we play by and the actual man don't there. Why be the religion? Because one of the things like a never. That's what I'm buy every time.
Thank you very much.
Also, Gerard, I ain't kidding. I'll just actually break it down. Name 5 important functions of the traditional ruler in a community. Okay, last German Jury. Name 5 important functions of a traditional ruler in a community.
Because I don't tell me of money.
5 important functions of a traditional ruler in a community. Name them. 5.
Important functions.
Yes. Yes.
Functions. One of them is bringing the community together. Because the traditional ruler is almost all and all in the community, and people listen to him seriously. So they have the potential to bring people together. The traditional ruler also will get to places with crisis in any village or any family. And in most cases, when the traditional ruler lands there and talk to them, they're listening. Another function is that the traditional ruler allows the affairs of the community by directing them through development. The development may come in form of, if there's no funds, in one way or the other, there may be levies. The traditional ruler can, even if there's no levy available, can go outside and get something, a loan or whatever. Make people from outside to bring in something that will help his community or a function government. The traditional ruler listens to both the church and the villagers, the commoners, who are not churchgoers, who are not Christians. I intend to be the traditional ruler for Christians and non-Christians, and make them to be understanding each other each time when we're anything. Once in a while, I don't want crisis. It's the duty of the traditional ruler to weigh in and take care of it effectively, so that one way will be one body will be one more. The traditional ruler gets to the government. The traditional ruler gets to the government, deep into the government, to request for something to better his community.
It's okay. It's okay. Also, the next question, you know, this is a competition among other aspirants. And when I do this, will you concede to defeat openly and congratulate the winner if you were not elected as the equal of them? You understand? You know, you believe also in that you don't do it.
Hello? Hello? I think for now we are done with also Gerard. I will one pertinent question I have earlier due to
Hi.
I have property I left, but they were technical glitch. So we are not able to reach him now. So we'll reserve that question for him. Whenever he comes online, we'll still ask him the question. We'll go to the next aspirant. And can I have a list of the aspirants?
Because I am one day aspirants. Or who you know you look at us. They got to people, yes, who are a push, yes, people. The next contestant will challenge Dr. Ado Anthony on Bingo.
The PD of this community, the person of Ilianubi, the chairman of this electoral committee, and parish priest, members of this high table, my fellow contestants, and the people. Dr. Anthony Abu Abu Ege Mafon Admission, St. John's Ebe. Ege Mafon St. John's Ebe. She don't just buy the Eke, St. Paul's Eke. I get a member buying sugar, invest on and sugar. Ever than we were 2 degrees. It is people now, Abu veterinary doctor, Abu man. Indirectly, I want man. Okay, boy. That now, who are especially what we call veterinary pathology, in the master's degree there. I'm a partner of Molo and a civil servant who a member employer. So, more Molo you go right to the highest position of chief veterinary officer. And during that time, I was the first fellow in the State College of Veterinary Sciences, actually. And also a former PG, very general of this community. It is good that now, okay, no, school, you went there in sugar. Here, we have about Maya, but now I'm not going to be able to and all we buy a breva, wish that now enjoy them when I come from a student union. It's not the use very important for this community. Umaka is a buy. No, you have privilege. I know man, I have to. Some of them are here to testify. And that time too, President of Eziadu Udi, Student Association. When I know if you will make John as the President General, Moab, Secretary General, I will solve it. You will not go to Bible, or you go to Bella, or go gather the butcher in time. They are not the President General of Ebe. He is confronting the ambassador of Chimaro government. And my effort, yes, we talk about I tried, but I can not have a state of only people, and I hear that it's not true to prepare people. Lots of them are here. We raise over 200,000 naira. I make check away, just like even go okay, you said also the fire, I came out by I have a bayaba. The light I got 2 million naira. Never get by man as of now, one, first night, because I don't say that you. Makade decide that they get a bank, not I didn't get after the river.
and take it money. And because that now the lawyer we kind of misunderstanding. Well, we can so the other, I'm not doing. The other one is that now at the village level, you know, at the same. So it's okay, just a minute. Now I'm going to tell you how to make it. I'm not doing. Okay. Because that day me and I'm not a local. I'm a long for 2 times. One I was chairman of this audition committee. But I keep on getting people and getting them up. Chairman of the audition committee. But I can't do one that I fell and one chairman. And now, rather than that group, all of them organized. Every year I do over 400,000. All one, they use my contact. So I help the church because I'm the Knight of St. John International.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes. Please, we would like to exhaust the questions we have for Dr. Agu. We would like to exhaust the questions we have for Dr. Agu before we go back online before we link up with Gerald for answer the last question we have for him. I said we have to exhaust all the questions we have for Dr. Anthony Agu before we go back to Gerald for answer his last question. Thank you very much, Dr. Agu. We've heard your manifesto. From the Electoral Committee, we have some questions for you. Number one of the question is, at a time like this, Ebe needs a capable hand to take up the reins of leadership. What will you say? Is the qualities you have that makes you not qualified to be the Ebe of Ebe? What makes you the most qualified candidate to be the Ebe of the next Ebe of Ebe? Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Like I said, I'm a popular general baby. I know I'm PG. I'm a organizer. And a go, I will be negative, I will be sure. And I just got today, might be sure. When I should go, I spend my money to do things. Because I don't have money to not do. I don't think, no way to come here, to be out short of the way, not really come. So I'm not open. I know it's a neighbor. My father never will. My that now, I'm by your family about to be with. Let my lord talk now. Thank you.
Thank you very much. The next question is, please, audience, please. Every society has those who are consistent in contributing to its development. What would you say you have contributed to the development of Nigeria? You mentioned capabilities, and we would like you to answer the question, not copying the answers the other person has given. Thank you very much. I said, every society has those who are consistent in contributing to its development. What would you say you have contributed to the development of Ebe? We say you have answered part of this question, but we just want to give you 3 minutes to elaborate. Oh, sorry. Because sometimes more important. I will interpret it, but I will try as much as possible to this one by Dr. Ogane is all dollar is a express. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, I think well that now every familiar on the group. Yeah, but I like from the time I'm on all the children. Okay, PG, I go young. Don't put out all PG. I go on at now. Yeah, but I will require the day and the DJ. Yeah, but I live in you buy. And the every union they do. Handle had a bachelor right. They would come in together without a door.
Very much. Thank you. Now, we have we'll take the next question. The next question, Doc. Yes, Ebe, what cultural resources do you think Ebe had to launch it?
I do not do more. You are going to come by you. Apa ini apa bu betul ni? Okay. Well, I think now I'm on the buy now. I live to the second. I live to the back. Take a room. I'm on the prepare. I need to take a room. I'm on now me, the buy. Me, to get you number buy. I'm up alone on one. They're going to get them. That's right.
Next question. What is your opinion about the basic issue of autonomous communities?
My God. You must have to get to the good DJ. On my home, it's going to be DJ, and I go home. We cannot be able to develop the community. It's not down the Nara, Nankano, I will fight for autonomous communities. Just imagine the resources, government funds going to that community. I would love to have more autonomous communities able.
Dr. thank you. The next question for you is what role have you played in the last 3 years towards the development of your village? Emphasis, village. Thank you.
Your village. Thank you very much. A project. I'm going to make all of the other book. Back to them. I'm going to be chairman of fundraising committee. Over the family is not doing it, we use my phone and all things. It is the initial 1 million naira, it will be done all through my own effort. Can I go to COVID-19 through my own corporation and appear to them the bag with over $1 million naira. You have to pay the only worker. Over family national family can put the list. Oh, do more here ever. I can have 15,000 each.
All right, the second question for Dr. Anthony Ango. What program do you have for the development of the youth, women, and children in every community, and how do you intend to achieve them?
Thank you. Imana Ogunle will Maka. You will room why on a calendar. Like my other speaker said, youth is very crucial. Like I said in my manifesto, all education first. Explore them. Okay, education is power. Information is power. So I would like to organize a situation where we have skill acquisition center to train them to make use of natural talents. They have their own talents. I'd like to do that. Number two, at the level of the government, I think I'm in position to connect, to attract
assistance from government through my own connection. Number 3, I'm a veterinarian and agriculturalist for that matter. Right now in the Ebe poultry farms, they're all springing up. These youths were not employed, they can get in, and I can help them to give them loan. I can give them loan. I can give them chicks to do on their own. Those of them who are farming, going to farming, I will attract fertilizer for them, for their farm, so that we have very good crops.
Thank you. People, they got to think about it and do it.
My God. Ini mana? Ini pasal lagi boleh itu nuni ni. Oh, dia tu orang ada mau mesti, boleh nama lagi berana kita ni. Boleh nama mesti. Nanti kalau pasal ni ada pressure tu saya kira tu. If dia nama tribunal tu, atau tu mesti. Anda berapa boleh? Anda betul boleh. Oh, a problem I will go here. Problem I will not. I love you. I can find this. If I get good position of this of this topic, go there. I go there. I lose you. Of course, that's not what you can security. Since I told you I have to make sure that I am not being a client in what I have potential. I will make sure I do that. And I make sure that the police, the security agencies, that I have good relationship with them. I also make sure that the recording committee, that if they get it, we have alternative approach to that issue. Every time now I'm the father, I need to get to the I'm not bring down. I can do it. I have one of friends there to make peace.
Thank you. The next question is, what cultural what would you promote another community?
Okay. All the 2 cultural festivals, everything has to be. One night a video. We will put the world wide because of the PG. Oh, we had a 27th of every month. I now pay a time. December 27th. And they get that time. A time of weekend, no longer. Then I'm going to pay blue mine. What are you going to do? No boy and later. They keep going. Oh, we are here in the world. The number of the world. The by the name by the day and down. So I can't second thing about part of this. I can't the other one to have to bring up.
Thank you very much. What is that thing that you love or cherish most about our community?
Thank you very much. Ima wane woke go there for yam o tire ba maka. You never the maka. Eba dey go show and dey use. Don't say there for if I want my passion. Maka ne ma get ka ma get ma bi go yo me. I need you want to follow my figure na you. So I tell you that. I tell you that. Yeah.
So can I tell you?
No.
Ndị igwe na-achị obodo nwere ọrụ iche iche ha na-arụ. Nwaanyị ọrụ isi ego mkpa ndị igwe na nwunye.
Thank you. Kita kacau orang dari guna level security to secure life and property. Yang kita kacau. Jadi ibu orang ide globe dulu. Ibu orang itu mana panai pakaian, dia jauh pakaian, dia itu beli. Oke, itu beli. Itu mana anak saya ada, saya mana kita tahu enggak? Tahu enggak? Itu beli. Memang itu beli. Because of the peace, you don't come. I will say that for you. Again, so okay, if I make sure that what they call the committee now, what they call conflict resolution committee. I now know what the show over. Because when I will make sure that number by number group, I'll make sure I don't really grant. Individuals can help us along the way. I want to encourage, like I said, competition. Every man can have now something. So, I have a education. I don't want to say that because we have to go to education. Okay, I don't want to now. We have to go over my career. Why I can get away? I can find out the way I am. Only with him. That's the way I well. Leave where I call and then I will. I have it's my book. Go with that.
Thank you. Doc, with competition like this, the winner must be large. When you concede to the thing, so to you can congratulate the winner if you have not elected the winner.
Thank you. I'm going to go and put the data away with it. Yes, then we go and put the data with it. So, upon the information, let the other show the other with the boy. Anyone?
Yes, thank you very much. I think we are going to. Thank you very much. Yeah. Thank you very much. Please.
Okay, we complete the last question. Also, Chief Gerald will take online. Yeah, take the last question.
The
last question.
It's online now. We're just giving him that.
Sorry that the line went off.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Yes, they can challenge you now. Yes. Anyị na-ajụ gị sị na ọkwa na-emecha elekshọn a ọ bụ ego bụ ewu ilu ya ebe iwepụ onye bụ ilu n'aka congratulate ya n'obi gị niile. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. This is what I would say. And I want peace. I'm not sure violence. I'm not sure to go support. That now one I'm winning, that will be the best for myself and for everyone. But all part of now, we're winning. That may one you win in Naga. I make any of one, and Naga probably say that I will have the decision to move forward. No matter how small, no matter how at my level. In saying this again, I want to when you know about the ice cream that one so hard. And when you go to the when I was
Please hold on. We have time. Thank you very much. I am going to get for you to the next congratulations. Thank you. Also, I told you to give you work for my back. When you go, you're not time. Asị mụ otu anyị nọ ebe a na-akparịta nkata were ihe onyonyo na-ahụ ịbụkwara ibe ndị ebe ọbịa bụ ka ike na-eji n'onyonyo wee na-agwa anyị okwu. Thank you. Biko, I got like I always not table about I'm a I just in 2 minutes you will repeat it.
And I'm we have stayed in the village in the campaign. I keep saying it. Since another one. Now, what I'm willing and not a baby or baby, which you are. The woman on the baby, which.
Yes. Yes. Hello, Gerard, we are done with you, and you can go offline. Yes, and we will go to the next contestant. The next contestant, Father, please, let's go to the next contestant.
The next contestant is also Chief Engineer Chris Ejikeme Ogudeba.
Audience.
And still have just 10 minutes before I answer the questions. Thank you.
More. Other engineer, please. Ejikeme Igwe. Abụ m onye ụgbọelu dị n'ọma dị n'ebe January na mbọ onye ebe. Mgbe a mụrụ my parents enweghị aka ezuru n'ụlọ akwụkwọ division mana aga mfụ wee na-enwe onye n'aka ga-emede na ga-agbala mbọ na my primary school ebidoro m fight n'ebe primary school n'ebe 2 years somebody were born me onye njereba arụpụrụ n'ụtụtụ wee nati ori aka m ori duto na nna asa ahụ onye ahụ ọfụma wee sị na a ga-etie m n'ụlọ akwụkwọ wee tie m na St. Mary's primary school oge ka mbido class 1. So mgbe anyị na-agụ class 1 to class 6 agha wee bido wee gba ọsọ n'oge anyị agụchala 6. So laa bụzi 1970 wee sị ndị niile na-agụ 6 mgbe agha ji bido na ha nweziri ike ịbanye secondary school of their choice. Mgbe ahụ that 70 ka m banye Colony Comprehensive Secondary School n'Ugbo mụ na akasi ike. So ebe a ka m nọ enwere m onye enyemaka mana Chukwu ga-enye m ịgba mbọ ọ bụrụ na m na-agba bọọlụ ọfụma. M na-agba bọọlụ ndị skuul n'ụtụtụ agbasa ogbe ụzọ anyị na-esi gbada na program from Ebe a ka anyị na-eje eme practice bọọlụ. So anyị na-emezi practice agbara m na ogwe anya na-eme m na mma agba bọọlụ ọfụma. Ihe m foziri bụ na Nigeria Coal Corporation Enugu enye m automatic employment. Ihe m na-agụ mgbe ahụ class 5 na Colony. Ọmụ hapụ school face a ball ọmụ gbaa bọọlụ hapụ school. So ihe a na-ejikwa ọnụ. Mana ofu ihe ndụta mgbe ahụ na-agba bọọlụ na Colony ndị koro ga-enye m employment. Ndị fast food agama dala aka m nye dapa outside matches. Mgbacha akpọọ m now Papa school. All my years and time of time, I don't know time of my year. So you may have no markets for life. My class 3 is simple. Now they did go to school. Now, Bola will end somewhere. Whereby instead of March, my cables go on na Colony, which is in the passport. Instead of March na Colony, then I have to switch over to GTC. Going by GTC, instead of the electrical craft, power, you register on GTC. Since I GTC, they took out I saw you and I got school. I don't want GTC 1 day. We pick it up. Rangers, the Panahaya come to our so negotiation resources from side to gift myself up. They will up.
Also,
and one movie.
Please.
One man 1 day, my GTC. Then school side.
Please, sorry to come in. Also, with due respect, sir. We concentrate mainly on personal development. We have opportunities because you have learned so much of your personal development. Then I just now give you 2 minutes to buy what you can do for now. Before we go into the 10 questions properly.
Thank you.
Thank you.
ifere na-eme maka ihe na-aga n'ezi maka ọ na-edistọbụ so much ekwesịrị onye anyị na-emeche ndị ya na-aga n'ebe wee sị mba this time that I try to change this community to be good. Now, when we watch my activities level, now early 70s, up people my mother and boy, come one day see, hey, you know my champion, I don't know express. Now I have to go to life again. So we do jobs in hand. But that is everyone comes to the back. I'm not going to tell you know, we don't ask you forever. You don't even know that time. You just make it through. I pull over. And you will get the whole bus stop and everything. You go through that. You go through that. So that is what's why we should know as a man. This one is someone to like I. Now, one million man who useless. This is my man. Also, I remember him. The next year, man, no fair. Because they don't get out of no now. This is not the man. No, not the man. So, the purchase. There were 3 bus stops. There, every 1, every 2, every 3.
Thank you very much.
As at that time,
Thank you very much.
why? Why can't they post the chicken bus stop?
Thank you.
He said, no.
Thank you. Thank you very much. People guide you. I agree. Allah here back. I came very hard. All of Nigeria got to leave. Makana, he has spoken. I am to give hope. Okuye, oh, you know, I lost my bag. So you know, Madam, I know why with the questions I can draw. And the questions I can draw, I try to utilize here the time I wanted to him. Where's actually all these questions? Thank you very much. Also, yeah. So please, we will go into questions. I got a questions in the I for the room.
I just want to give a little guy. When somebody comes to speak, because everybody is not gifted already. Not that we put, I want the chair to guide the person so that he can say all the things he wants to say. Because if that, see somebody just stop, the person can dwell on things that are not very necessary. So, and if you guide somebody, if the person is derailing, you will say yes, go to this, so that the person can finish all you have to say. Because there are lots of people here. There are a lot of things they have done, but they didn't have enough time to say it. That's number one. Then, number two, I'm going to appeal. Every members of every community to come and observe. After you have asked your question, please give a chance for somebody from the audience to ask a question. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you very much for the guide. I can so well for the guide. But I not take the video. I need to enter. You understand? So thank you very much for the guide. I can as fast as possible. Can you make it? Thank you. The people, Na question I just made no getting to one. Ebechela onye akasịla ike ịnọ n'ọchịchị eze ndị obodo a. Kedu ihe anyị na-eche na n'iwelu the qualities you have na-ejikarị ndị contestants ndị ọzọ mma ịbụ igwe?
Thank you very much. That is the reason we have the power as Igwe and as other state. Makana, if you have a moon, no one ever mind I would like to say that it will not be the business as usual. And I want to just reform Ebe into a new system. You never expect. It is great. One, I have the capacity. Near the road, I put 5,000. Na platform 10,000. Kawe the road. The road. If we are in a different. Somebody like they can grade this road. And what are telling her?
Thank you very much.
Listen, before you be a leader, you must be a mover. You must be a mover before you become a leader. There are two things. If you be a leader and you are not a mover, you are nowhere. You cannot achieve anything. That's it.
Thank you very much. Thank you indeed. Because I like the audience Malabo. I prepare no in my video. An opening campaign after today campaign will go on. So because I upload I like to campaign now. Open campaign program or campaign support even for any candidate, please keep it aside until I have good opportunity to campaign, everywhere. Thank you very much. So the question number 2 from me is every society has those who are consistent in contributing to its development. Can you hear you? Thank you.
Now, as early as 70s, now the nature, even when you keep go, on these 7 villages, even when you with the peace, to go home, nature, and no cost of what else? Football. Makano today. No, come on, I'm going to pop. Maybe 7 villages now, I call it there. We were peace among themselves. We were to take good power. Village will collect the village. The village money. Many years. Wherefore now all my village now dominated because of how we squad the laws. The same man. I got to speak again. Macandos of other villages. If they be there for 2 or 3 years, can wake up. Man, I want to get up. Can challenge one man. I did it just to do it together.
Thank you.
What's your problem?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You have answered the question. Introduction, what they introduce himself, he says some of the things. So people, let's go to also, the next question. In order to showcase Ebe to the world, what natural resources do you think Ebe has that will launch it to the world. I put your time to it. Go on.
People, Ebe, oh, we need to free here in Chapuna, my general now. Some people are my head. Who say that, who say that? Check on the jacket between AK and Ebe. I don't know some there. We'll full of man. But here and there. Everybody saw me, and I have to get. So, if I don't be able to get to the world, that is my goal.
And next question, Brother, thank you so much. Him and I, we'll be having issues of autonomous community. And him and Luroba, I'm autonomous community never. On with the more attraction in form of development to the community. So, the question is, what is your opinion about the raging issue of autonomous communities in Ebe?
Thank you very much. Because after autonomous community, they back. And other communities are around Ebe. So, one of the higher many further. That's an idea where the autonomous community tell you. Instead of going to be get to be there 6 months in the autonomous community. We're not talking about this. I know where to go. I know the people in charge. When I'm around here, I hear them and I can hear them. If you can't get them, you'll join them. That's it.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Ajụjụ ọzọ na-adịpụta nkịta bụ anyị na-asị gị nde mbụ ịgbawa ọrụ n'ime vileji n'ahụ 3 gara aga ka ịkọwapụtara ya nkịta.
Nke mbụ ka m ekere na last year bụ na Ebe ọmadị gara ịnọ na darkness wee gba Christmas. Maka transformer anyị paa bọọlụ ndị ọmadị wee tụọ ego na ha na-ego na new transformer. Wee kpọọ ha sị ha chọrọ ego na nke m ga-emete amaghị. Onye na-emere ebere bụ ụka tụpere para maka na onweghị nke onwe ụdị ọkụ every time lamp wesere onwe nke ọkụ ekwu adabụrụ otu transfọma kpagharị ahụ agọrọ ndị niile kọịl ndị n'ime kpagharị anya gbaa ya mmanụ dakwa ya ọ ma dị onye na-eru zeke ụmụ ezike na-eru zeke anyị egoro onye transfọma.
Kwesịrị nke ọzọ bụ kedu ebumnobi iwere maka ụmụ nwanyị na ụmụaka na ndị na-eto eto n'ime obodo anyị Aba Ebe. Nde mbọ iwere ịgba ka iwe ike kpokọta ha maka ọganihu Ebe.
Thank you very much. Ịmana ụmụ nwanyị na ụmụaka bụ ihe ji power of the family. Ụmụ nwanyị na ụmụaka ji power of their family. So ọ bụrụ na ha atụba mma ihe ị na-ekorozi enweghị isi. So nwa na-ekwu na ọ bụrụ na m abanye na ọgbụgba ụmụ nwanyị ga-anọgide na my cabinet. I will make them among the cabinet. And I never do it. And when you know only youth can on my cabinet. So that even when I name and you do it will be distributed all easy. Appropriation. No, you are dead. Easy. Appropriation. No, you are dead. You can't help me. Because you are not going to do it. Ele bụ n'otu gị efu na aka ebe anyị ahụ na-achịpụtara azụ n'igwe kere ihe jupụta. Ọ bụrụ na ebiri igwe ebe kedu ihe ga-eme ka anyị ike iwejụtara aka ebe anyị? I like that question. Ndị ebe all of us all of us. If you want to use force in getting things, you will fail. When I get back to the problem I get back, one with an awkward one, you didn't get awkward. 7 transformers installed. At a certain period, in the federal government, where say they got that we have to wait next year. What I did for the JGD. In the medical they have today, I called them to summon them. The sound of the Abubu and Second, I call like when I get away, I sit down, I shoot the angel. He said, "Wouldn't get it? It's 15 million naira to me now, cash." So that when we get permission on that, in the next 3 months, the Nigerians will get the money. And the network was commissioned immediately under that 3 months. That time, and the way this problem, I'm not going to get away cheap the request waiting there because when they are going to put this at the time, they might call it by energy. But what I feel, the AGD problem, the very simple approach, because I know the people concerned. How many people that because I get restoration, they will all come. They come from Lagos and Abuja. Have that for China, I will make the request. Okay, we put dialogue and get what we want. That's what I feel. Because of what cultural festival will you promote in order to foster unity, peace, security, and progress in your country?
Good man. In the Bible, the devil in the name overall, he had the record. I asked him, happen, you go there, or draw a person. Man, he can modify the latest review there up. Because you see, why they interested, can be interested, which you had to do before. So all the way our council make sure that those things that they buy the utility system will be removed. Peaceful, and you already can make a higher many the thing they waste now. Jesus Christ, everyone.
Ebe biko anyị chọrọ ịma ihe anyị ka were n'anya karịsịa karịa n'ebe ntinye ka were bụcha karịa n'ọzọ n'otu ya bụ akwa kọmuniti ihe gbasara ya.
Well, ihe kacha life ya bụ na the unity everywhere is very good and very clear. If that makes sense, if it's also a problem, I don't know what in Jacket. They are not serious. Why you people? How many people say that? How many you want to take it as an offense? But I know how to get the money. I didn't put no. How many he did you there? Maybe against your fellow human being.
Also, Ebe Igwe, anyị na-ekele Igwe. Ị maara na ndị Igwe na ndị Eze n'obodo dị iche iche nwere ha nọ. Anyị chọrọ ka ịgwa anyị ezigbo ọrụ ise ndị Igwe na ndị Igwe. Ngaghị akwụkwọ na-emeghị Igwe mgbe a na-eme
ebugodo n'uche n'obi gị na ihe na-agba ya bụ ọjọọ
and development. The two major things. What about the culture? Also, no one or say, the woman be asking, if I was good there, buy no matches for block, non happen, yet, yeah, only more than Chipuke will sorry. That is it. Omoro, in here, a China, they happen with them money. I did see one, we had in where this, or you talk about it. You can't do that. You have to come out. They need letters to make sure that thing have been well.
And last one, the new statement. You know, this is a competition as usual. And even I was in March. Will you concede the openly and congratulate the winner if you were not elected
before what? After going. But a question, you know, a question. No, man, for organizing, and I don't know. So, has a one much of what you find, pressure will just leave. Even I never disqualified, can you know to he has something that is going to disturb me. I'm going to invest, I'm going to take, it's going to take my time. It's not an easy job. Open up chair and I can, no.
Thank you very much. I just go to very now. Thank you very much. Very easy to the next contestant. Thank you.
I have already Mr. Hyacinth Manatol. Mr. Hyacinth Manatol.
Thank you. No, Mr. Hyacinth Manatol. Because in just 5 minutes, talk to us where you go. Now, just you can
today, now say, Ebe Ojebe Yame, what the people college where they are from. And I'm grounded. I'm Ebe Ojebe primary school. Wherefore, due to the Izulu City, wherefore, more Muchawa, where business, Chukwe where Papa school. Because now for school is very, very important. Then at the end, where we did at my school site. Never go business. Western, not Katama, can you go to Wager and National Open University, obtain my business education. I'm making Ebe na ọdịka folu maka na ihe anyị chọrọ bụ onye ga-ekuru ebe n'obe aka abụọ, onye ga-enye ihe a chọrọ. The meaningful is needed from
mụwa maka na onye pụtara izi igwe ihe m pụtara bụ odibo ka m pụtara
ugbu a ebechara capable hand who will take up the reins of leadership. Kedu ihe bụ ihe ahụ ị na-eche iwu niile mere iji karịa ndị ọzọ na-azụ ego na mma echi ego?
Ihe nwere buru ibu mana because of time m ga-akọpụkwa ihe mgbe maka na obodo ọbụla na-adị conscious of security problem na dị obodo ha. So mụ na onwe m wetara onwe m na-agbasa security ebe. One, mgbe ndị unknown gọọmenti jekwute ndị polisi n'ụzọ egede ebe ha na-arụ ọrụ agbagbuo a sergeant ha wee at the end ndị polisi na-ejima wee gawa obodo dị iche iche wee na-epik isi ndị mmadụ epikolu abịara n'ebe pikiri mmadụ isaa and n'ime mmadụ isaa ha epikiri nke ndị egede jere igwe ha na ndị otu ha jere mee koshọn na-eberi ndị egede etu a ka ọ dị ọhụụ etu a ka ọ dị eke ndị nke be anyị mmanụ ọbụla ya anụ ya maka na ya bụ ansa bụ kedu onye gwara ụlọ ụmụ na-apụtara owu na-agafete 9th man ewekpọ m chimu biko na ha nọgbara 9th man na ha nwekwe problem na ihe a nara ekwugo okwu mbịa asị na ha gbara 13,000 uche maka gịnị ọkụ emechego sachin mechie everything owere ha bụ buru ma ọ na-ekwu na shuwa I move straight jepo DPO chidikọ foto DPO chidikọ biko na mụ abụọ ya na ndị anyị na-ana dis 13,000 ha bụ chere farmers na ndaba anyị bụ Sandy Soil ha ga-ekpeta ọrụ unu biko unu erize ndị a ọsụ dịka ego na ensure 2,000 ọsụ mgbe anyị n'oyi issue to know is not important but do the needful. So you don't want to explain yourself. It's not necessary. The community help you. Osimoke. Ucheta. One. I carry the ball. I carry the ball. So if I cash up 7,000 to Fota now this will cost 7,000. It takes the side.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. The question this year, because the next question, and I think I'm very brief because years ago, over here that concerned the next question. So it's very brief and fair. Contestants we can speak. Now, nobody how will they not show enwepụta n'obodo ha kedu ihe nwere ike isi na-ekọntributu na mmepe obodo ebe Monica you have talked about this from the police, so don't go back to that one. Just open email just mention one or two things. Thank you.
Ihe contribution n'ebe bụ na mgbe akpuchiri ndị neighborhood jụọ my personal money bụ njibere goro ha and everything all contribution. Then another one is this, onwe ihe ọbụla a na-eme n'ebe gaa ga-asị na na-atụ atụ ma na village a na-apụta.
Thank you.
Hello, I said, next question. If you were to tell me, back one in the Malay, we got translated, so I if you were back one in the Malay, can you have natural resources? I will never. Each of them make one in the Malo.
in terms of natural resources, nke mbụ bụ na mma na ebe nwere ọtụtụ natural resources. One, mgbe anyị na-ede primary school, like my counterpart si kwuo, between ebe na eke abịa federal government na ọ yọrọ ebe a kasị ire. The same after na Jetigo Primary School now resolve name business. Adebana under the leadership of Igwe RCR. Obiano Neke where a workshop and a crew will be there. Two. Another one is this. Ije Gebe Nuboti account thereby. These three natural resources. Agbe Esunde Ndochichi with Igaran, with political education say with Nebe. These three things are direct in function.
Thank you. I'm to accept those natural resources. I'm not here below.
I will carry everybody along.
Thank you so much. Thank you. The next question. Ima ulo na imo autonomous community na bai. Ima ni ole ezigbo ole wetara anyị. Kedu ihe bụ uche otu maka autonomous community?
Biko autonomous community the mkpa karịrị onye ọbụla. Ihe m ga-eme apply na mbatakwa bụ for autonomous community. On the process of the for autonomous community, ha ezigbo anyị bụ ọkpọ ịtọ na anyị ekpofu agị natawa.
Okay, thank you. The next question, yes, Manato. What role have you played in the last 3 years toward the development of your village?
Okay. Abianime Umezike, Palagon Association, I'm one of chairman up to date. Then, when we Umezike Jumbo, then we go to Jumbo. More attack and we go where we chairman whenever. As in the taste of the food is in the eating. So, on top of here, Muna will go out of food, village.
All right, thank you. Thank you. The next question for you is, what programs do you have for development of the youth, women and children in Ebe community, and how do you intend to achieve them?
Mmadụ decide ịfụta ihe ọ ga-akwadogoro onwe ya akwadogoro ma akwado wee pụta. So n'ihe m na-ekwu ugwu na ihe anyị na-ajụ ọ bụ my program because ọ bụrụ na ị na-eme ihe kpọrọ ụmụntakịrị anyị na-atinye ihe ha na-eme mgbe ọ ga-eru ka anyị wa ọma bụsịrị ihe ọfụ. So na I will carry everybody along. Both women, both men, both children.
Anyị na-ajụkwa gị ọ bụrụ na eburu igwe echi niile kedu ka anyị ga-esi wee napụta anụ anyị na aga ebe anyị wee ike ịrụ ọkụ ọrụ ebe ahụ.
Ndị ebe ụlọ anụ mụ na onwe m were alụ ntịara mgbe anyị nwere nsogbu anyị wee prọfesọ Ebe Ojebe and the same ala ka m ga-atịakwa na nke a ala ahụ bụ ihe a ya maara m mgbe ọ na-abụ onye gedere ụkwụ ọrụ na-ege ebe na onwe problem na ọwụwe ya gara na ọ bụ na-enye iwe problem na-evuru ngwongwo ya na efetin vugote ya na ugwu so ihe m na-ekwu ugwu a ga-make sure na ndị omenala na-arụ ọrụ ha ebivu all the arụsị niile dịbe ebe arrest ọrụ onwe ndị na-eme omenala ebe onwe ndị na-eme omenala ebe they must follow it to the end. Onwe ndị na-eme omenala ụka anyị ekisipụrụ anyị na kpere ego maka kịkwa m ịma nwetakwa ihe na-enye ihuchapụ enye ka isi kpakashi ya bụ
first cultural president, we promote the foster peace, security, and progress.
Come again.
Okay. We're going to cultural. Okay, Agma, and the middle that 1, Bull, Igulu. 2, Backhand. 3, Baba. Ebe Ejò, Mama Ebe. I can name a feast of Oka. I will get on already, Baba. Don't a feast of Eta Oka, Nebe. Yeah, at least get on the time. I don't know what
Hello. Thank you very much. What is that thing that you love, cherish most about our community?
Ihe ka hụ n'anya n'ebe mụwa ka hụ n'anya n'ime ebe anyị nwa. Number 1, many of my counterparts ekwuchekwukwe ewu mana ihe ka hụ n'anya bụ na anyị emere gịnị anyị anaghị ahụ n'ọbara n'anya generally onye akwa abụọ mụrụ m abụọ onye ọbụ so that's ịhụnanya ahụ mere m njishi ekene dịrị Chineke na mbụ onye ebe ọ bụ ịgụkọ mmanya ọ bụ ikwugo okwu kedu ihe onye ọbụla ọtụtụ obodo dị iche iche kidnapping bụkwa top of the day mana ọ dịghị n'ebe so I am proud of Ebe.
Nze mwana atọ ha na-ekele ego nke ọzọ bụ ịma na ndị na-achị isi obodo dị iche ka a na-akpọ igwe modezi na ọrụ dị iche iche ha na-achị n'obodo gwaka ya onye isi dị mkpa ndị na-achị obodo
ọrụ n'ise igwe na ndị kabinet ya na-arụ nọmba 1 anyị bifo up this mmemme anyị ọ bụ ọrụ aga m agwa kọmuniti biko na dis ọfara o nwere ọtụtụ obodo na-agba ọfara in 2 years wee na-agba in 3 years aga m anya the community chika biko na ka anyị menye oye ka ọ bụrụ dịka at least 3 years ego a ga na-egenerate ga na-enyekwa ka etozu obodo. Then another one is this ọ bụrụ na anyị na onwe anyị anọrọ in power anọgido otu a akpa ebe niile biko bịanụ na anyị were geda anyị mege togeda anụwa na anyị were ọrụ cheela anyị maka mgbe ụfọdụ ọ bụrụ na ịgwa isi gị mmadụ ga-ekwe ihe problem were ma akịashi nke problem iwere. So if we create these events we will move higher.
Nke nze mana atọ mana aba atịtọ na-enọ na-agba egwu n'ofe igbo ụzọ egwu ọ bụrụ gị ka na-emechi ọnụọgụ bụ ụzọ egwu ahụ ị ga-ekwesị n'onye nke bụ ụzọ egwu ahụ ịrụpụtara n'egwu ga-ekwe n'aka sọpọtụ
onye akpọkwara edekiri ya gwara wina agịga ma bịa bịa ọrụ show na emere bụ na ọrịtụrụ alụ nwekwe na m ka na-abịa atụgharị ya ka ị na-eme implement mmiri na-ebikwa ndị otu ndị ebe kelee m ka ya nwere m alụ nwekwe ka a na-eme implement.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Zemanato. We have exhausted our questions for you.
Onye ọzọ anyị na-akpọlite bụ ọzọ Chifsa Rome Ani.
Yeah. Wait. Before we go on, now, like I said, if you person knows no room, everybody here, I want to start his question this way. The person I told you through so, now,
Like I said,
opportunity. So all God is all the election committee get screening based on so kind of because I get your opportunity. Oh yeah, I get your opportunity. I don't know what it is.
I will go to as the bishop and government on INF. I will go to as the bishop. And the authority pledge a program. Never lose what I put ever. Because after we never lose much in the last I had here. All of the people are not interrupt everybody. To the electoral exercise. Who show you say what tell the name of the person? Over here, I'm the yard. I'm not every woman from now. We are going to find ever. You are to call hello. For this election, how progress of this community. Because we are here at the iron chase out. I want to who could have go before. If you have many communities here, maybe oh boy, power here done today. Or second the law, I wouldn't bear anywhere. But not can be transparent to do open. You will all open up one form, but this form, every woman a forum and Ebe chairman, village chairman. All open up one form, you took away a reason, no reason, or to put on this form. And the reason I'm actually in here. And every time I hear, I have what to do. Ebe Gagani, we will get it right. Because all open up time all the time. Last warning. I'm a young woman, the red card. A young man, the red card here. Yellow card, so they use yellow card. I told you who can do all my Poloto here. I told you who can do Emego Poloto here. Because I have the go part of go come with it. Here now, the electoral committee. Who do more about the same place for an hour? I don't know. Otago Shoreman, she showed that 3 to all your here. How you open again when you go right, as far as I know there now. You don't even know the one that will process. Because I young you hear to Bundo. Or you open a hash in a
they will now give mic to the audience. The audience will say towards Ajuju. And by the Ajuju, don't be offensive. Ajuju incriminating question to anybody. Because deceitful in your question. Question that to personal. If you want question, that blue question that below the rule. The most important thing is the development of Ebe. Ebe
G. Ugo Balani, I am busy. Some room and Kobia. Why?
I'm a queen!
Yeah.
I'm a queen!
Yeah.
Put on! Yeah. We are making the country stronger. Why? As far as I know, we have equal rights. I want to roll. I know. Actually, also and live. I'm going to make you. Upgrade. That's your I'm Rome, I'm Romanus. When I like in Romanus, we just go cause a year order. Once I was on Rome. Certificates in the girl and the Indian middle one. For my first day, or what if you do my second name? So I can keep on your opportunity. Like I said, I'm going to Megan. I'm going to Number Megan. Number Megan. Never to boy Megan. Not to boy Megan. I'm more so I can check for that. Well, Bundoma. And I want to let every one of them, I have a contestant here, team. Now, when I realize that, I'm not here to fight any one of you. I'm here to fight for the betterment of everything. That's it. That's it. Why is somebody interested except that? So, because I thank the team, I thank Father and I thank everyone for, after we make all this, they get away, not one everybody. That became the people. We have to fight to get what we need. Abi? Yes. Thank you very much.
Please sit down. All the question. Because number one question. Number one question is this: at a time like this, there needs a capable hand to take up the reins of leadership. What would you say is the qualities you have that makes you most qualified to be the Ebe Ojebe?
Thank you, sir. I walk from seminary. Sheba from graduate school. In secondary school after seminary. Joe America, luckily enough. We Sheba which is a bachelor's degree wherever I am in America. I've been in leadership positions a lot. After serving in the army, I came out and opened my own business, carried on till now. I've built up to a certain level where we have a lot of employees, giving me the opportunity to come home and stay as long as I want. You could go no fishing, no everyone happy because one thing to give in the market happy. In the Bible, a few things, but one thing I love, of course, is that I know we can bring community together, we can bring unity in Ebe and our church leaders and everyone together. Thank you.
Thank you very much. The next question is, every society has those who are consistent in contributing to its development. What would you say you have contributed to the development of Ebe?
The icing is in the pudding. When so many things in Cape because so many things has happened. From my father Henry announced that I need I built that upper area, but I didn't want him to announce it. I don't know if he did. There's a few things in there, now we have to announce because this is the thing I think we should do. There are so many things I will problems with, but I can only do what I can do. So, I'm going to hear Anna Prague. I'm going to hear Ebe Younger. No, he came, he's going to go Joe Radisha. Chinekena, here on the way. Yes, go ahead. Because I cannot do anything without anybody.
Also, no. The next question. The next question also is, in order to showcase Ebe to the world, what cultural resources do you think Ebe has that will launch it to the world?
Among TL ndị nke ụmụ na mkwuru na iwere oil na iwere coal, I heard before and before I was here. But nobody also chopped a highway media. After n'onye ego ya moto machine eke. But I'm going to have dangerous, and one man kidnapped. But they didn't go to them. I drove all the way to Ikedimba. Thought he had on Chitekolas. When guy with meteor that fell from the sky, we had one has got into the atmosphere, no split because of heat, or smashed into one of the areas. Push button, you did chill some. I went back to the US. Of course, last year I made 7 times. Each time that I'm one month. But I was opportune to go to the museums there, presenting this. Had test charging years now with video. So my thinking, he may not give us a whole lot of money, but he will throw us out into the world. Everybody museum. Now the war, see how the glass camera. There goes. We can send it to different museums, but how to promote anything is going on. You get the big amount to sit. So among other ones, I will definitely make sure no support to show here. A lot of us will come out here and lie. There's a lot of lies going on. Political lies. But we have to be careful. Can you make sure that no Chineke na Israel? Can you make sure that Electoral right? Can you make sure that I move very forward? Yeah, also,
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, the next question. We are not interested in their lives. We know the truth. I tell them.
Thank you.
So the next question is this. You know the importance of the autonomous community, the respect of infrastructure, STC, basically. Okay, get your opinion about autonomous community.
Thank you. That's a very good question. Autonomous, one thing for sure, the 100% in support of. But I don't want it to split Ebe. I want one Ebe. In an effort, I spoke with one of my friends, one of the guys from Ogodo. She that all these things are talk. Action, what the biggest result is action. I'm going to be after all these holidays and all this slowdown and everything. My office had to go. I'll come back and give you people my results. I'll go there and talk to him and beg him. Yeah, because you're like, can you work for most of the community? Well, they are allowed to point. Governor super yes. Salary. Only every hard in the past 7 years now. So I call it be honest with ourselves behind our hand. The second issue there, no matter I'm not sure. Now the word of freedom, not authority, autonomous means authorizing. Okay? I don't know for sure, but those are the questions I want to go in and ask him if you give me the audience. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so far. The next question, going by what we have here, is that in one of your statements now, you said you came back with Ebe 7 times last year. If I had it right. Okay, so in your coming back, we know you belong to the diaspora.
Yes.
What role have you played in the last 3 years towards the development of your village, Amago?
Like I said, I'm an energetic person. I do things from my heart. There's a few things I will, and if you love it, come here and demonstrate it. Can you only lift him? Can you ever get to come here? That's what I can't do. Who can make it? And we need to start. Actually, a I don't know the village is like I get very quick. When you go to Kim, you don't know what all try to knock over no longer. We were well for because I got him help the economy itself. 2, schools, creating schools, Irish villages. We need to improve and help to protect these children, especially in the 1 to 6. Then we have I want to go forever for the grace. Teacher, they want their money, say, oh my God, 20, 30. Or this is to control them. It's easier if we can put a little perimeter fence or easy to protect our children who will not evolve very change fast. I can't about one day before they get to one. So it's part of the things I'm doing in Amago as a village. I will go behind in the short, look complete what I am. I don't start to write it down because I see it as the things that we should be doing. Because,
thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And the next question. What programs do you have for the development of the youths, women, and children in the Ebe community? And how do you intend to achieve them? Talking about empowerment.
Thank you, sir. When I work on our youths, now we intend to have something like scholarship for improving our schools and education. We should also invest in making sure that our women have a part in a group. You just get it here. We bring peace and make sure they have love for each other. We go in and donate here and there. Over 50,000, over carton of beer, over meeting everybody. So basically, we are trying to organize youth operations where everything we do now. I'm 62 years old. Mana chukwu na ya obere ihe nwere ike tupu ya shoke na relax o chukwu okwu to match all the bottle for wine go mana ga like ime bụ kai organize youth anyị ogo kai jeto I will boss I get our youth to make sure they come in and support. They have energy to do things. Our women should be involved in what we do. One of us has mentioned here, they're bring in women and youth in the leadership of course, I think we have to take advantage. So these are the things that we already have in plan.
Thank you also. The next question is, what plans do you have to reclaim Agwebe if by chance you become
the main plan of Agwebe will involve organizing to make sure we have tentative meetings within the Igwe Council and all the 128 members of the community representatives. They come in with ideas that we must not neglect. We have to go in and find out the best solution to our issue there.
Ebe has been there for so many years. The only time I remember when I was here, I vaguely remember running around that place with the but I don't remember the place anymore. And the woman could never move. We are not attempting to expand. And we need to encourage the youth. We need to encourage our people to start expanding. If we approach that area, look, Lord, my God, look at that church. I mean, you can wear division. Can I understand where the one is? What they get them now, maybe they get in this room. I'm not sure why they get it. Let you get it on this side. But I'm going to Banish. I want to explore those areas. Every time I drove up in here one day, hi, I should go down. One day, who should come know? I stop. But if you suggest and don't vote on something, then I can move on my own because it is not a vote, it is suggestions. So far, I have a lot of suggestions, but we have not seen the vote for us to go out there and implement some very powerful move.
Thank you. The next question is, what cultural festival will you promote in order to have unity, peace, security, and progress?
Thank you, sir. Igwe is the custodian of culture. We lost. And as a matter of fact, a few times, Ejigeka is single-handedly sponsoring it. I'm not sure how many age. Most people here remember me can very much more value. That is how much I love. So because we don't even want to go there too hard because I know my own position.
Hello, I'm new. What is that thing that you love most about our community?
So we are lovers of each other. I didn't push to change in the past, but we still grow wide there. I wouldn't do grow back there and end the honestly speaking, I'm bad shallow. Look here, you can get your father. What come that first said? Well, you don't care about you should come have it, come dodge her. But your father will be with. Come on, the cool down, laugh for it. I don't know my own. I feel you want to put an I will show. I'm not going to be allowed to I'm making a shooting because I couldn't actually get back. But the one question is not that when Gushidoso was able to hit the buy one of a child. Thank you.
We are aware that traditional laws perform certain functions in the society, in their various communities. Because tell us 5 important functions of traditional laws in the community.
Thank you, sir. Number 1, love. Chineke gradual gracious need them to check the most important one. What I will encourage is between husband and wife and children. Because charity begins at home. So that is the plan. The second, well, he introduced everybody cloned by Chico to separate out of very well. No, we can never lie. Here's the thing. If you can teach your family this kind of humility, then we take that. Oh, we're not free ways in the meeting was. The third, each got to buy who can we call any kind of misunderstanding. I will get the appointation But I will appoint some certain people, but not equal in council, but not 120 members of every committee representatives. Shall be going to take it there, no. Oh, you are going. Then, need to go the Macano, Ashel, no one did the way so. Honey, one bedroom head that now the boy, when I help with her, near woman, woman help with her, now I better father, now I get well for the head and offer. So, people now, number 4, as that unity is concerned, we have a lot of things going on, but we are overlooking it. 1, by Melody, Agitaba 8, now but in and out of it. I'm going to use a football for one leg. I'll grab 2. Okay. Geshiba Mosana. I'll grab 3. Geshiba Mavut. I'll grab 4. Geshiba Ebe. I'll grab number 5. Geshiba Ebe Igweship. Full boss, you have number 6 or 7.
6.
A bond of no guy. What are any of them? Now go. Watch. You got through it. Oh, well, luckily, I'm not going to brag over me younger. Mono, I'm going to have my locals of guitar. And how you have contract from Nsuka, Opi, Nsuka, all the way. Fatala into the 9 mile. Hachakolo no Gagano, Chibuya Kabuno will 9 mile. How is it the whole house? How do you work at home? Can them for Christmas. And not the China. So people, regardless of may we leave, it has never stopped me from here to go by. Because issue 4 or 5, all the calculate. Me, I come with a machine that for me. When I go to machine. Go to Hollywood. Last one I will move this in
Yes.
I go more the way you cost, the way you go to I know, I mean, whom I was there as the general overseer of everything. I went through by the negotiate 1 week, and I went 2 months and a half, but all did So, we have that one project going. If we can post well in every area of buyer, it will help a lot. I'll tell you, it look like a one big central, you can do one back on the line. The other one, our electricity, put our PGs doing a wonderful job so far. How many? Now we 3 phase. Then they will electric. As a rotation, we panel doing. So PG will just sumo, but electric guy for 3 phase. The channel sumo well now, 7.5 amp. The first 1 phase and 2 phase are repeated. It will take a while when we have. Schumacher. I take an electrician, connect them to 3 phase. I start to assume all you have like, she will be up by 0 million hatches. Yeah, no, me, I'm going to show we couldn't remember. Million I want to didn't know what will come because the other on top of the pipe make him. No machine much time of people. Because we have to create a sense of responsibility on every one of us. Why are we going to come one thing to go? Why are you going to go to the television? Why are you going to go to the hotel? The other guy can make a walk.
Thank you. And
the security is working fine. I wish you should.
We have had what you have. Yeah, the next question is now got you. Will you consider defeat openly and congratulate the winner?
Immediately. Of course.
Yes, son.
Thank you very much. Also, and the road. One last question I would like to ask you. I don't have a question, but I think the community will want to know that the last Igwe RCR of Lesser Memory, yesterday Hammer 2 of Ebe, we were uncles. And he is from the Kiki section of Ebe. What informed your decision to contest for the membership, even when you knew it is time?
Thank you, sir. So far, Etiti and the king is a divide, in my own opinion. It has done not more than separate us, wherever it is, wherever it can. That's one. Second, one opinion is on equal answer at the honor. But after I called my father, people spent 42 days by Eliya every day. Shimano Ochewa. Everyone has some their way. Everyone has some their care. Not knowing, no putting you, when Joe Ebe Ojebe, who am I to talk? But in kind, the check the Jonathan said, okay, good time, and you can look for the thing. Where's your there? I came. What's your simple neighbor till you want to go? What's your opportunity? I travel on none of our Ebe Council. Address the issue. They now cut it down to 12 days. There was the opportunity where I learned also from other communities in Igbo land. What about 4 days? After that, people who immediate family now very interested. So I still think we will address that issue. The second, but I believe in that now. To my knowledge, he came a Jacob leadership part twice. A teacher once. Igwe RCR, Chiku Dole on office serving us for 26 years or 27 years, I don't remember. But does that make it that no twice the teaching no? I don't think so. I know that I know that this young man who does yes. But if I look at it, my own view. So everybody will open up him. As long as I say for him, they take it. The best to tell them they kill. As long as I say, everybody with their own view of things. And they need to be concerned with the Ebe he moved forward. Who is the capable hand that will go out there, working to governor, working to lawyer, working? He change your by what we have on the concern with. I shall I tell you what I'm going to do. How come we don't be Lord, as a matter of fact, Charlie and Noah, Dr. Tag, we all have the same DNA. Because of the Bible, they talk on the short and just the driver. So I think it's the one that I tell you, difference okay make right. You can make a difference of which we are like. Well, I'm not going to change of my. I can show you again. I'm willing to tell all you congratulations, and I'm willing to go every extra mile to do the same thing if you don't to continue.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I think we have exhausted our questions for you, and we want to go to the next question. So please.
I am going to also say, also, whatever. The first thought of late Mr. Lazarus of us in his memory. Now, I studied marketing at prestigious school in Ebe State Science and Technology, and I did my postgraduate at Ebe State University. Thank you, all of you. So, my proposal, as a patron of Oslo Foundation worldwide, you might have been seeing what is happening. First and foremost, on the 2015, we went to Father Charles. Late Father Charles submitted equipment. Okay, I waited to get Father Charles. We went along, everything. And that's what we did. Then, on 2014, I'm one of the Secretary Education Committee, we inaugurated 2 schools. I will 2 schools ever. Those who are from Brother is a witness. Brother Boyoshan. Then, later, on 2017, I went to where we do together rice. Also, the great one is coming. So, on 2019, we went to Jojo and did the rice. And we gave Ebe widows on 2019, the second time. So we have many things. I remember. There were many things of Oslo Foundation in the African. So what I want to say was, of Oslo Foundation, other than school aid grade, school system, Oslo Foundation have been doing possible best. Now, we share 150 innocent seats. Pattern the table to primary school, and our own is on the way coming table. Because of on the education. It's not what we now. What we like now. 80% to the finishing point. And let you know this library. Let you know library. And you. That we're back. We're back. I'm talking that I go take computer. See a network connectivity. So that we can stay here and connect a personal job.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Also, you can sit down. You can sit down and take our questions. Because we know you want to say have opportunity to say all the things you're saying now, and we'll come from our questions. Thank you very much. Also, was a ceremony. Was M representing,
More than now. Thank you very much. At a time like this, Ebe needs a capable hand to take up the reins of leadership. What would you say is the qualities or the qualities you have that makes you as a person, not the way you as a person, most qualified to be Igweship?
Now, as a partner of the foundation, I will make sure everything is there. You know, natural. I know natural. From my own foundation, I have to do it. I will do it. No, to consign. Because I am go from this current government back. I have to go from this right now. You see that? Now here just go of model foundation, the fact that they are seeing me here. Now I have to go current from governor in the state, Dr. Mba. So I believe that Owoni is the assignment of model foundation, the founder, I will penetrate and have it.
Thank you. This question is, every society has those who are resisting and contributing to this development. What do you say you have contributed to the development of Ebe? You as an individual, not foundation.
Without the founder, because I have to put this command. No, for myself. If I say it should be done, it will be done like that. So I never be on it.
If you say Obozo Foundation should do this, it will be done.
The patron.
Okay, go ahead and tell us what we can do for what we have to contribute to.
Okay, just I have been mentioning this. Last week or thereabout, we share uniform, free uniform to 3 government secondary schools here in Ebe. Another point is that we did, I already had it all. I would know this year project. We are planning to do sharing of rice as we did last 3-4 years ago. Okay, sounds good.
Okay, thank you. No,
thank you.
Most of these aspirants, I think people now have industry. I'm coming. I'm not asking you a reason. It's a preamble. Thank God it's school. I think when you're proud about that, to be getting, I know you guys say I have industries. Even you say your wall, buy a job. I know when I have industry, what do you care, rice, or you care tomato? It's not different. It's not. I don't think it's good. It's good, but I don't. I'm on by the question. Well, I'm coming. I've got a question. Can I do? I do have a question. I'm just trying to make a statement. So the question I do, are you still like Obozo Foundation? Are you the financier? Are you the financier? Okay. The patron, not the financier. Okay, no problem.
The patron, please.
Okay, let me go to the question. In order to showcase Ebe to the world, we can do what cultural resources do you think Ebe has that will launch it to the world?
And the mentioned Ateke. I learned that Mr. late
Igwe, sorry, please. Igwe will able of tackle music. And they gave a please. I'm promising you that we have to go there and start bringing the thing out.
Okay, thank you. Next question. As another prayer, really need to tell you, everyone here, we are going to hold everybody responsible for all the statements we have made. All the promises and everything. This is not a political forum. This is not a political forum. We are going to hold everybody responsible accounts for anything that promise in there. Apart from where you are going to go down and to go down. I'm your senior, I see Papa or Map you are talking to the devil. All of that promise will not happen. The next question is this. Autonomous community in heaven. Can you hear me?
Yeah, as I said earlier, if you read my manifesto, and then myself tapping no back. So I believe you have just said that you never look real me, but I'm standing here firmly saying the truth. Once I'm in that position, I will make sure that we go there to meet as the 15th governor, so that the autonomous fund by promising 1 year only. 1 year only, best 1 year only. You will say it happened.
All right. I was going to say about the word of foundation. Thank you very much. And my question for you is in the area of programs, especially development programs for our teeming youth, women, and children in the community. What do you have to tell us about their empowerment? Setting up programs that will benefit them. I know that you have told us that also commissioners have been doling out gifts with uniform, rice, and all that. But we need to settle with you in practical terms so that they can, one word, and help themselves. Thank you.
And the word skill acquisition. Then we are planning, just as I told you, on the issue. And the computer. Students who use I can come there, study, because I'm a computer gadgets. How we can have a ban? The web computer, then I is a work for everything. And I bet you, I will make sure that that's skill acquisition, tailoring, and so many others. I will make sure that it will be done in the.
Thank you. The next question is geared towards your individual personal contribution in your own village for the past 3 years. Can you highlight your personal contribution to your village?
Okay. Now, coming to electricity, up for 3-4 years. And before 3 years or thereabout. For 3 years. Mana, also the complaining. See that Zanga try now. Man can be shooting. No matter when the man, I will leave you at any time. So, I will meet you by the end of this month. I will see all people when they do transform.
nke ikpe ọbụla mmadụ niile ndị be anyị ụfọdụ ji oge ebe ahụ na-edupụrụ blọk agụta akwụkwọ be. So yes.
Thank you. Anọtara m n'ihe na-ekwugasị bụ na anyị ga-eme we will do this manifesto n'ebe a n'ọtọ kiwa as a person kedu ọ bụrụ na ebe gị pụta kedu ị ga-eme ka anyị free
our life. Land, oge agụ ebe isi. Agụ ebe isi. Ebe isi. Agbọrọ mmadụ wee dugo. So, agụ ebe isi. Anọ anya stili. Ọka atụ akwụkwọ chacha gbara. Mana enwe produce. And I will do whatever I say. So, agụ ebe. And I said that we had a very very good. Come on, you she na Mba Peter Mba. Oh, Peter Mba, we had a little joke. You now look the result is a not do nash. Now, we didn't want to so I promise that now Peter Mba will help. I will be doing I never go and a go to the top of September, October. Never that will happen. Thank you. What is that thing that you love or cherish most about our community? What I love? Most. Please repeat the question. Let me hear it. Okay. The like them can go at time. Let me like them the fees to look at them. Her mind will make it there. Oh, it would not be more basically yet never done. How did they put you, but they will not do it. And I want to do na moje yo na that ile de benon so ndị ba ha wee egwu kuche mana ha bi ebe ya kwụ ịbụ na aka na ịbụ na adịrị anya ọfụma ya nwere ike ibido wee jede be ebe niile ti 12 n'abalị ịgba aka atọ
ọzọ siwara ọzọ ịmara na ndị igwe maọbụ ndị eze a na-akpọ traditional rulers n'ụlọ oyibo na ala dị iche iche n'obodo dị iche iche ọkwa na-eme igwe gbaghịze n'isi ebe mkpa bụ ọrụ ọrụ
ndị izuzu bụ ịkadị uniti udo ebe udo dị na ịhụnanya adịghị nke ịbụ ọbụrụ peace udo ya peace unity maka peace nke ọdụkọgara unity amụrụ nke ịtọ ọbụrụ development agamnihu na-ekwucha abụdị n'ime ya bụ security mmadụ nnukwu eje ka egbugharị na atọ so nke ise ebuzo iwu na-ebe anịshiwe ebe a ga na-ahụ mmiri ebe a ga na-ekute mmiri wee na isi ojii atakpọ wee na ahụhụ sesa abụrụ nnụ ogbeghị bọọlụ agwụrụ gbagoro baị ọlọ́dúnrún ọ̀pọ̀ṣù náà ìkà ní méjìlélẹ́gbù fẹ́ sàrà ọ̀dá kó náà ẹ̀ka ní ìkú márùn àwọn àlẹ́ tí ẹ̀ ní ṣì àná ẹ̀jẹ̀ so if update them there I will make sure at least láti ẹ̀ tí ó kéré wọ́n central ball road John náà wùtù kẹ́ sàrà ọ̀dá ayé ní ìyá àná àwọn thank you.
contest. One person must work a large in winning. I will look at that actually having a bachelor in our you get something now that I'm back there. The one to I could put your Mark will have to be a motor to work. The other here, the work is don't have to try. It's not about all for the one to be before that. Having to put here to Hannah, when I have a hand. So I'm going to enjoy it.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Ebe friend. Ebe friend. I'm making I get a break. But then before we go on break, like we promised, Nande audience got two questions. And because of our time, I got just 7 questions. In fact, I got just 7 questions. But then, I don't know if the councillor is here. If he is here, we will give him a chance to ask a question, which is after 7 because of his position and the community. But if he's not here, I can do 7 questions. Upon the villages will go and put heads together and come up with one question. Then each village a dual question. Each village a dual question. Then by the time we ask the 7 questions, I think we will be rounding up. Thank you very much.
Because ajụjụ ahụ a ga-ajụ ọba ahụ nwere repeat question ndị committee jụrụ and nke ha sago ọ nke ọ dị ka anyị ajụrụ ka ị nwere ike ịjụ dịka chairman si wee kwu each village 1 question ihe ọ pụtara bụ na ga-eje chịkọ isi ha ọnụ mara onye ga-ajụrụ ha ajụjụ ka anyị wee ike save time so ọ bụrụ na unu ji ka ihe nọmba ndị ga-ajụ ajụjụ 7 villages mgbe ka ha pụta ebe 7 villages they are standing for Amago for
I would like to act independently, not for any village.
Okay, chairman give me a clue.
State government.
Oh, chairman give me a clue.
No, you told me before, you should know it. Because I'm the president of the Enugu State Diaspora Organization. I'd like to ask a private question.
Independent.
My village has the right to nominate someone, but the president of the Diaspora Organization, I have the right to ask the right. That's it. Thank you.
Because I have to repeat questions. Each village, 1 question. Well, I multiply on a question with just 1 question. 7. So, Care village, Umezike, Amag, Omaduwe, Omad. I'm trying to break.
There's no time.
So, can I try to believe that? So, village Jerry will put a farmer over where you are. Because Jan came and said,
my project or something I don't have. I will break out of that. I will break out of that. Because that.
My question is approved. If I don't have the right, then you don't have the right.
I'm not the right. I'm not the right. Chairman, if I can say. Chairman, if I can talk. It's not that you don't have the right. You don't have the right to we are targeting our time before you give opportunity now. There will be another group of people who say that they are giving this people opportunity. They want to so please, accept that. Everybody have right to stay here. Are you not from Ebe? So you have every right to stay here. But you understand that?
I have the right to leave. I have the right to ask you to leave. I walk away.
Because we are telling you that there are other presidents of other associations that are here, that if you give you opportunity to ask, they will even ask for their time. We are not saying that you should go.
It's an autonomy. It's an appeal. If I can open a moment, it's not a problem.
That's a program.
Don't worry. I brought an appeal to you. Is it yes or no? It's simple. It's an unbelievable. I'm an unbeliever.
Don't worry.
After the 7 villages. After the 7 villages.
Yes.
Is he agreed?
Yes.
No, I'm not agreed. I'm not agreed.
Okay, the men are meeting over.
Everything. Perspective is different. We are thinking.
The hardest thing to do.
Sit down. Yeah, I know personally okay.
This thing when they come back from break.
After the
break.
Beda pasar.
Please, hello.
Come inside.
Come inside. Come inside.
Questions.
Please come inside. Come inside. Come inside. Villages should come inside, please. In the village, you know, the village is already habited. Village is ready to villages. I'm going to I get it. Because in a drug, you work in a or in a I am going to direct Chairman, that direct question to the president. You can't expect all of us to start talking again.
so ike o nwere ajụjụ ndị ebe gị chọrọ ịjụ mmadụ ị na-akịta sitere ebe a na-azụ ochi